Hi, awesome ones. Well, it's that time of year again when many of us are going to be visiting friends and families and going to get-togethers. And there's a little bit of a challenge in moving your everyday clothes from drab to fab. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, you know what, I don't need to get all dressed up for them, it's okay. Think about this. Think about getting dressed up for yourself. Going from drab to fab, you know, it really tends to light you up from the inside, and it gives you more self-confidence, more self-esteem, and if you've got that kind of energy, generally you're having more fun. So let's take a look at outfit number 1, and we're gonna see a makeover. Here I have a typical go-to outfit with leggings. It's a bit of a dressed up look with the rust blazer and a red top. But let's bring this look up from drab to fab. We've kept the leggings and the red top, but instead of ankle boots, we switched to faux leather riding boots, and they're usually $98, but last time I checked, they were 44% off that price. The blazer has been replaced with a jacket cardigan for about $50, and I put on a blanket scarf around the neckline. A hat could even finish off the look if you wish. This is perfect for many occasions in the cooler weather. And as usual, I have most of the after fashions that I'm modeling in the video description and also in the comments. And don't forget, you can always go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 if you want to check out, well, I've got so many fashion favorites there, makeup, skincare, and even housewares. Now, as most of you know, metallics are really trending for this season. And the next outfit, I've got something pretty great on. It's a pink blazer, and pink is also trending. But let's move this outfit from good to great. Now, I think this outfit looks good since I changed out the blazer to one in a trending pink color, but it's still a little boring. Let's introduce the metallics to the mix and really shine. The black tank top is replaced with a silver cami for $22, and the black pumps replaced with sparkly silver slingbacks for $40. The basic black purse has also been replaced with this lovely crossbody silver and gold beauty for $29. And stay tuned till the end of this video, where in every video I have an inspirational message for you. All right, so for the next look, let's look at a typical shirt and skirt. Now, you might find a pattern here where many of the items I'm showing are in black, but let's face it, that makes up many wardrobes. Here is the average business to evening look with a pencil skirt, white shirt, and black pumps. But what if we change that white shirt to a trending silky pink, and that's about $50, and the skirt to a faux leather wraparound, and that's about $55. The entire vibe has changed, and since I've worn this outfit, I know that your personal vibe will change from plain Jane to aging with attitude. And if you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and also don't forget to click on the bell. And are you following me on Instagram? Just go to instagram.com/awesomeover50. You're going to find a lot more in the fashions and also in the inspirational messages. All right, so let's get to the next outfit, and this is really an outfit that you're going to see on a lot of women, but I kind of feel it's kind of drab. Does this look familiar? It's almost a uniform for many women over 50. The leggings, long white t-shirt, black cardigan, and black sneakers. It's so easy to just go from the couch to the get-together, but let's do a drab to fab on this outfit as well. Here we have swapped out the leggings for a pair of stretchy bell bottoms that are trending, and these ones are about $36. And we're also switching the white tee for a red camisole. The sneakers are replaced with ankle boots for $75, and that cardigan that really ages us is now replaced by my favorite faux leather moto jacket for about $60. I just put on my Ray-Bans and I have a red purse, and I've gone from looking like I'm aging to aging with attitude. Now, I know that I mention aging with attitude a lot in my videos, but you know, when I did wear the before outfits, I felt really rather drab. And then when I added maybe some color or a new trend or some accessories, I really did get a boost in my self-esteem and my self-confidence. Our attitude is so vitally important, and I know for a long time society has made us feel rather invisible, and you deserve to be seen, you deserve to be heard. And have you noticed that lately a lot of older women, and celebrities mostly, are really trending, and we're seeing them on magazine covers and also in ads? Let's help ourselves to start to feel like we're trending too by bringing a lot of the everyday outfits that we wear from drab to fab. You know what? We've come a long way, baby. And I'm so excited to be here and to help you along the way. And for me, that's just one more way to keep it awesome.